Here's Chatter Social app. So it's kind of new social media app, which getting some traction, and yeah, some people like it. It's very niche app. It's kind of like a Clubhouse. It's kind of like audio first app. Talk about it from anywhere with anyone. Discover voices, stories, and communities. Grow and monetize your channel. Connect with conversations. And then yeah, you can just open it up, and then let's just take a look. So here you just have different rooms where people just take in part in different conversations. You can just go into that room and just join that room or leave it, and then some different watch parties. You can also start a conversation yourself. You can just hold to speak, and so that's the idea. Then you have also different notifications from people you follow. So yep, and then you have messages. You can create a new messages. You can just add people here. So channels on Chatter enable you to create authentic content and build your community. Monetize the channels to unlock more benefits, and then you have your profiles, which you can also edit. Profile first name, profile last name, custom link, custom link. So here it is. Then you just have your settings, your account information. You can also delete your account, privacy and safety. Invite your friends. So here are some invite codes which you can use. So that's where you have it. So feel free to use these invite codes, and then yeah, invite people. So yeah, that's basically the idea. I don't know if this app is invite only or they just released it to everyone, but right now, so there is what it is.